Welcome to this journey through one of the most enchanting countries in the world, Italy, a land where history, culture, and natural beauty intertwine to create an unforgettable travel experience. Italy is renowned for its diverse landscapes, from the snow-capped peaks of the Alps to the sun-kissed shores of the Mediterranean. As we explore this beautiful country, you'll discover a culture deeply rooted in tradition, where food is a passionate art form, and every region tells its own unique story. Whether you're a fan of ancient ruins, Renaissance art, or simply delicious cuisine, Italy has something to offer everyone. So sit back, relax, and let us take you on a tour of 15 of the best places to visit in Italy. One, Rome. Rome, the Eternal City, is a destination where history comes alive. Walking through Rome is like stepping back in time. The Colosseum, a monumental amphitheater, stands as a testament to the grandeur of ancient Roman engineering. The Roman Forum, once the center of Roman public life, is now a sprawling ruin that tells the story of a bygone era. Vatican City, the heart of the Catholic Church, is home to St. Peter's Basilica and the Sistine Chapel, where Michelangelo's frescoes continue to awe visitors. Rome is a city that offers a perfect blend of history, art, and vibrant modern life. Two, Venice. Venice, known as the Floating City, is a place like no other. Built on a series of islands connected by canals and bridges, Venice is a marvel of engineering and a symbol of romance. The city's main attraction is the Grand Canal, lined with stunning palaces and churches. St. Mark's Basilica, with its opulent design and stunning mosaics, is a masterpiece of Byzantine architecture. The Doge's Palace, once the seat of Venetian power, now serves as a museum. Whether you're gliding through the canals on a gondola or wandering through the labyrinth of narrow streets, Venice offers an experience that is both enchanting and unforgettable. 3. Florence. Florence, the cradle of the Renaissance, is a city where art and history converge. The Florence Cathedral, with its iconic dome designed by Brunelleschi, is a masterpiece of architecture. The Uffizi Gallery houses one of the most important collections of Renaissance art in the world, including works by Botticelli, Leonardo da Vinci, and Michelangelo. The Ponte Vecchio, a medieval bridge lined with shops, offers a picturesque view of the Arno River. Florence is a city that has inspired artists and thinkers for centuries, and its beauty continues to captivate visitors today. 4. Milan. Milan, Italy's fashion and design capital, is a city that blends tradition with innovation. The Duomo di Milano, a Gothic masterpiece, is one of the largest cathedrals in the world and a symbol of Milan. The Last Supper, Leonardo da Vinci's iconic mural, is housed in the convent of Santa Maria delle Grazie. Milan is also known for its world-class shopping, particularly in the Galleria Vittorio Emanuele II, a stunning 19th-century arcade. With its vibrant cultural scene, Milan is a city that offers something for everyone. 5. Amalfi Coast. The Amalfi Coast is one of Italy's most breathtaking destinations, known for its dramatic cliffs, picturesque towns, and azure waters. The coastal road, with its hairpin bends and stunning views, is a journey in itself. Positano, with its pastel-colored houses cascading down the hillside, is a favorite among travelers. Amalfi, with its historic cathedral, and Ravello, with its beautiful gardens, offer a more tranquil experience. The Amalfi Coast is a place where nature and culture come together in perfect harmony. 6. Tuscany. Tuscany is a region of rolling hills, vineyards, and medieval towns, offering a quintessential Italian experience. Florence may be the crown jewel, but towns like Siena, Pisa, and Lucca offer their own unique charms. Siena is famous for its Gothic architecture, and the Palio, a historic horse race held in the city's central square. Pisa, with its iconic leaning tower, is a must-visit, while Lucca's well-preserved walls offer a perfect place for a leisurely stroll. Tuscany's landscape, dotted with cypress trees and olive groves, is the embodiment of rural beauty. 7. Cinque Terre. Cinque Terre, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a string of 5 colorful villages perched on the rugged coastline of the Italian Riviera. Each village, Monterosso al Mare, Vernazza, Corniglia, Manarola, and Rio Maggiore, has its own distinct character. The hiking trails connecting the villages offer spectacular views of the sea and the terraced vineyards. Cinque Terre is a place where time seems to stand still, offering a slower pace of life and a deep connection with nature. Eight. Sicily. Sicily, the largest island in the Mediterranean, is a land of contrasts. From the ancient Greek temples in Agrigento to the bustling markets of Palermo, Sicily offers a rich tapestry of history, culture, and natural beauty. Mount Etna, one of the most active volcanoes in the world, dominates the landscape, offering a dramatic backdrop to the island's lush vineyards and orchards. The beaches of Sicily, with their crystal-clear waters, are among the best in Italy. Sicily is a place where the past and present come together in a vibrant and dynamic way. 9. Lake Como. Lake Como, nestled in the foothills of the Alps, is a destination of unparalleled beauty. The lake's deep blue waters are surrounded by mountains and dotted with charming towns and elegant villas. Bellagio, known as the Pearl of Lake Como, is famous for its cobblestone streets, beautiful gardens, and stunning views. A boat ride on the lake offers a unique perspective of the region's beauty, with the opportunity to visit historic villas such as Villa Carlotta and Villa del Balbianello. Verona. Verona, the city of Romeo and Juliet, is a place of romance and history. The Verona Arena, a Roman amphitheater, is still used today for concerts and opera performances. The city's historic center, with its medieval buildings and lively piazzas, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Juliet's house, with its famous balcony, is a popular destination for lovers from around the world. Verona is a city where history and legend come together in a way that is uniquely Italian. 11. Naples. Naples, one of Italy's oldest cities, is a place of vibrant energy and rich history. The city is known for its historic center, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, as well as its proximity to the ancient ruins of Pompeii and Herculaneum. Naples is also famous for its cuisine, particularly pizza, which was invented here. The city's many churches, castles, and museums offer a glimpse into its long and storied past. With its lively streets and warm hospitality, Naples is a city that leaves a lasting impression. 12. Sardinia. Sardinia, the second largest island in the Mediterranean, is a place of rugged landscapes and pristine beaches. The Costa Smeralda, with its luxury resorts and crystal-clear waters, is a popular destination for the rich and famous. But Sardinia also offers a wealth of history, from ancient nuragic sites to medieval castles. The island's interior, with its mountains, forests, and traditional villages, offers a glimpse into a way of life that has remained unchanged for centuries. Sardinia is a place where nature and history come together in a truly unique way. 13. Bologna. Bologna, the capital of the Emilia-Romagna region, is a city of rich history, beautiful architecture, and delicious food. The city's historic center is home to medieval towers, Renaissance palaces, and the oldest university in the world. Bologna is also famous for its cuisine, particularly its pasta dishes like tagliatelle al ragu and tortellini. The city's lively markets and traditional trattorias offer a taste of authentic Italian life. Bologna is a city that combines the best of Italy's past and present. 14. Turin. Turin, a city of elegance and innovation, is known for its grand boulevards, beautiful squares, and historic cafes. The city is home to the Mole Antonelliana, a symbol of Turin, as well as the National Cinema Museum and the Egyptian Museum. Turin is also the birthplace of Italian cinema and the automobile industry, with a rich cultural scene that includes world-class museums, theaters, and galleries. The city's alpine backdrop adds to its charm, making Turin a destination that offers something for everyone. '15. Pompeii. Pompeii, one of the most famous archaeological sites in the world, offers a fascinating glimpse into life in ancient Rome. The city was buried by the eruption of Mount Vesuvius in 79 AD and is now a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Visitors can explore the well-preserved ruins of houses, temples, and public buildings, many of which still contain vivid frescoes and mosaics. Pompeii is a place where history comes alive, offering a unique insight into the daily life of a Roman city. Italy's rich history, diverse landscapes, and vibrant culture make it a destination like no other. From the ancient ruins of Rome to the breathtaking beauty of the Amalfi Coast, Italy offers endless opportunities for exploration and discovery. Whether you're drawn to the art and architecture of its cities, the natural beauty of its countryside, or the warmth of its people, Italy is a place that will capture your heart and leave you longing for more. So pack your bags and get ready to experience the magic of Italy.